Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a quick look at the Blaupunkt LED 4300 Pro H7, which is a car LED lamp. It's a 55,000 lumens LED and also got a color temperature of 4300 Kelvin. As you can see in the side of the box, they have provided a sample of how the color temperature would look like at 4300 Kelvin. It's a 110 watts LED with 55 watts on each of the bulbs. It's got IP68 water resistant rating and also a high speed fan built in to keep the LED cool. The best part about the LED is that it comes with 2 years warranty out of the box. The LED is currently being installed on TATA ALTROZ. The owner of this car wanted it to be installed on high beam instead of low, so our folks at Feelup accessories are doing just that. If you want car accessories at a good rate, you can contact Feelup Accessories. I have put their contact in the description below. Now let's install the LED and see the final output. As you can see, it's super bright and it could be slightly distracting for the drivers coming from the opposite side of the road. But on the upside, this is perfect for night drives, especially during rainy season. So if you guys want to install this on your car, contact Feelup Accessories. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do like and share it with your friends and family. Until next time.